Welcome back, all my radical people. Check it out, we are fully loaded. Today we got 2 bales of straw in the trike, and we also got 2 fresh bales of alfalfa in the little trailer. They say it's gonna rain again tonight, so we're getting prepared for the rain. Got some fresh alfalfa for the donkeys, and I got some straw for the chickens and the donkeys. So I'm gonna take you guys along with it. Hopefully we can get it before it rains, and let's get to it. What's up, baby girl? You hungry? You want some fresh alfalfa? Where the alfalfa goes. All right, well now the alfalfa's done. Let's put a bale of this inside there with the chickens in the aviary. And just like that, there's a bale of straw. I did like 3/4 of the ground. I didn't do this side in case they wanted to keep some dirt. But I put some inside the baby bungalow inside of here. They're already going through it right here. So next we are going to put this bale up, and we're gonna go put it in there with the donkeys over there on that side where they hang out, because they hang out right here. Leonard! See the divider right there? They hang out. This is where they hang out the most, so that's where they poop also too. So we're going to go put some hay over here, so when it's raining they have something dry to stand in, at least till one of my next projects is I'm going to try and build like some sort of shade, rain, you know, everything going on this corner right here, so they stay out of the sun so much, because they hang out right there, and so they stay out of the rain. They only go over on the other side to cover where it's covered at over there to eat. They keep their food under the shade. Hey, check it out. There's Kingsford. What's up, buddy? How are you? Check it out. His feathers are growing back. He's turned out to be a lot friendlier. He likes to like herd the trike. He'll get out in front of me and make it so I can't go. But so here's Zelda right here. We're gonna do her first. Huh, baby girl? I know. You want to tell your fans? You got friends, I'm sure, out there. I know there's people that love you. Not as much as I love you, but I love you. Huh. Alright, so let's get in here. We'll do Zelda's. I'll be right back though, okay? I gotta go get us some straw for you. Alright? I know, you're a good girl. You're my good girl, huh? You giving me kisses. I love you too, huh? She's being very sweet today. Huh? Normally you just try and bite me all the time. You're being a good girl today. Huh? She don't like the bill of the hat, so. Huh? Give me a kiss. Thank you. You taste like falfa. You smell like falfa. I know, huh? You good girl. This is the best part about having a farm. You get this good love. It's great. Today. And right now. She could totally change her whole mood and start being a jerk as soon as I get in there. But she's being very sweet right now. And we'll take it. Huh? Oh, you showing off? Show them. What's up? Say, what's up, guys? How many other of you guys like this daylight savings time? Here in San Diego, they still do it, and it really sucks. It's like 4:30 right now, and the sun's almost down, so we got to get moving. All right, so I was thinking as soon as I pop this in half, it's just gonna fall apart everywhere. So I went and got some rope from one of the other bales. I'm gonna pop it in half and try and tie it together. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but that's my best shot to get half of this over there without the wheelbarrow. So, can't hurt to try. Put these like this. And then let's do this. Ooh, I should probably put the tailgate up. This one right here. Alright, we got one. Alright, check it out. That is gonna work. Gotta get all these ones out from it. I'll meet you over yonder. Come on. Easy, Turbo. Kick it. Alright, Stella's got some. Now let's go do Leonard's. Let's not go that way. Much of me, huh? Alright, you see? Now he's happier too. Alright, well, starting to sprinkle, so I'm gonna take you up top there and I'll show you the wood pile that we got going on for our Friendsgiving. You don't want to miss that video. That's where we'll be cooking in the ground. All right, there's my wood pile for Friendsgiving. There's the hole in the ground that we cook our turkey in. We invite all our friends over a couple days before Thanksgiving, and we have our own. But this was the wood right here. I'm gonna cover it up. I gotta get ready to take Caleb to wrestling practice. So if you enjoyed this video, please go down, give us a like, share it with your friends. Also leave us a comment down below. I know to call it straw now, not hay. I forgot what the guy's name was. It was like Joe Stone or something like that. But he left me a comment and let me know. So now I won't sound like such an idiot. So thanks a lot for that. And like always, we hope you guys are having a wonderful day.